Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Aquarius, this time we'll go a little deeper. Let's see how you're feeling, how your partner's feeling, and how are the energies aligning between the two of you now. And what's the message you really need to hear regarding this relationship. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Aquarius, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading and then we'll start. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aqua gang, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. This one. All right, thank you. Let's put the rest back, Aquarius. And the card I have here for you, Aquarius, is sweetness. I don't know why this card is here, but this just seems like a little message from the angels for you, Aquarius, that you are a sweetheart. I don't know why this card is here, but it's a sweet one to get, isn't it? Sweetness. Or maybe you need to bring some sweetness back into your life. All right, so welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your lovely support that you're sending me to the channel, and the likes, the comments, the shares, the care. Thank you for keeping me motivated. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. For the duration of the reading, Aquarius, I will be referring them as person A and person B. So you will know which side you're on, right? And here I have your mutual energies. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, so Aquarius, what's going on? The Ten of Cups is in reverse, bottom of my deck, which means not feeling very emotionally happy at the moment. Why is that? Need to bring some sweetness into your relationship? Let's start opening the cards and see what's the problem. Five of Cups in reverse, Nine of Cups, Judgment, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and the Three of Wands. For person B, Knight of Cups, Four of Wands, the Devil, Nine of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. There is trouble here, a little bit trouble here, Aquarius. Maybe in a long-term partnership or a marriage or something here. Hierophant is in reverse, so either somebody has trouble committing, or maybe this is a commitment which is kind of having a bit of trouble here. So let's take some dialogue message cards first, Aquarius, to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And the overall, what I'm getting from here, Aquarius, before this, is like somebody doesn't want to have regrets and sorrow for the rest of their life now. They are right. Person A is not feeling emotionally happy. What they would really want is if we can re-begin. They feel very ungrounded without their partner, but I think there's been some kind of a conflict or is going on at the moment. But this person is still like looking into the future to say, hey, listen, what about our future? What about in long term? This person A is feeling very ungrounded without their partner. Maybe they've very emotionally unhappy as well. And person B, I don't think they trust their partner very much because they feel their partner never lives up to any of their promises. They did want this forever and never with them, but at the moment, I think person B is being a little defensive of their position, trying to release either this connection or the trouble that's in this connection, not seeing any New beginning from their end. They are kind of being a bit defensive, person B, and they kind of given up and feeling, I don't think this is going to work very long. They don't feel stable. They don't feel there is a chance of a fresh new beginning. So let's see, Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Aquarius and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. And let's take some true confessions. Thank you. All right, let's begin. So the first card I have here, I realize that you did not make me feel bad about myself. I did that to myself. Okay, this is the feminine energy. Maybe she's realizing now that maybe they had self-worth issues. So somebody can only make you feel as bad as you want to be made to feel bad, right? So this person is saying, now I now realize that you didn't make me feel bad about myself. I did it on my own to myself because maybe I didn't respect myself enough. I'm considering moving on with another soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. Yes, for the feminine energy also, this commitment was like they wanted it. But the way things have gone, they've lost trust in their partner. Now they feel they have to defend themselves. They're actually on the verge of saying, maybe I should just move on with another soulmate. But not that I wanted to break up, not that I wanted this, commitment to fall apart, but the way things are going, I haven't felt good about myself in this connection. I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. This is the masculine energy. So even though I think there is all this conflict and everything going on, and this person is behaving a bit unstable, they actually, heart of hearts, they know that the actual anger that they're feeling is not towards their partner, but actually towards their own self for not maybe stepping up their game in the past. I wish you would tell me how you really feel so I don't have to get readings on you. I have never experienced a love and a connection like this before. Please don't give up on me. This is the masculine side A, which I was saying. This person wants to have a re-beginning. They don't want to give up on this connection. They're a bit worried about their future here. So they're saying, I've never experienced, maybe they were immature in the past. They didn't know how to handle this connection. And now they're feeling like, don't give up on us. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. I realize that I do want you to be a part of my life. Is it too late? Can we re-begin? I don't want to live in regret for the rest of my life. I'm unhappy without you. Waiting on you to forgive me. I promise I can change. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. So that's what's going on, Aquarius, and a bit of emotional unhappiness. People are healing, I think, from this connection. One person is waiting for a reunion and hoping that they will be forgiven. But person B here, I think, has lost their trust in this connection. So let's see what's going to happen now. 5 of Cups in reverse, spirit, for person A. Yes, they are stuck. They are stuck. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to, bring back the happiness that they want in their life. They just don't know how to make it work anymore. They want to. They don't want to be regretful or, let this connection go. But they're feeling a bit stuck as to wondering what do I do now? How do I get my happiness back? Nine of Cups in reverse. Yes, this person wants to be back in control, feel like the emperor once again. They don't want to make any decision which will be not be the wise one, right? Maybe they have made many unwise decisions in the past, but now they want to step up and say, hey, I want to step up now. I want to be the emperor. Here's my apology. And if you come back, I promise you I will not be foolish again and I will be your emperor and take control of our connection because I'm deeply, deeply unhappy without you. Judgment spirit, judgment, judgment. As much as this person is looking for this re-beginning and a restart with their partner, they somewhere feel that, I never put in the work in the past. I never invested. I never put in any work. And now this is my bad karma, which is coming back to bite me, right? As much as I want a re-beginning, as much judgment in reverse. They feel as much as I want this restart, I want a stable new beginning with their partner, with what face can I go and even apologize to them? Because where's the work that I haven't put in enough work. And maybe this is my bad luck or my bad karma, which is now making me feel out of control. As much as they want to feel like the emperor, this person is right now feeling very unstable. Maybe, till now they were more interested in their own self, or maybe they were a little materialistic or not non-emotional. But right now this person, they feel unstable because they're losing their long-term stability and the long-term potential for a partnership here. This making this person feel very, very unstable. Five of Wands. Five of Wands. The point is they would love to go and kind of maybe fight for their person. They would even be happy to go and fight with their person just so that they can have some clarity as to where this relationship is going. But I think their partner is not talking to them anymore. I think there's silence between the two of you, and it's leaving person A standing at a crossroad, not knowing what decision or how to take this forward again. So now they're very conflicted in their mind because they're saying now, I don't know what to do, what place to go. They're feeling very left out and abandoned and neglected. Three of Wands spirit. Three of Wands. What are they waiting for? Three of Wands. Yes, now this person is totally stressed out. Now when they look at their future, all these dreams that they had, that they'll be the King of Pentacles, upright, stable, with a happy family, forever, and I have it all. Now this person is now looking into the future and feeling stressed out that I lost it all. And they know why they've lost it, because they never really put in the work. They know that they've been unstable, that they've hurt their partner, right? So they feel now karma is coming back to punish them. Okay, so let's see person B here. Knight of Cups in reverse spirit for person B. Knight of Cups in reverse. Knight of Cups. They feel my partner never keeps their promises, never chooses me over everything else that's going on in their life. It's better to kind of end a connection like this, which never kind of puts me first. Yes, I think this person has been betrayed and hurt too many times. Person B has always not been chosen. They've always felt that all promises have always been broken. Last minute, it's like, let's go out for dinner, and when somebody's all ready, the partner will call and say, oh, actually, I realize my friend needs my help. So they always feel that time and time again, you've betrayed my trust. Each time, you've never chosen me. You've always never lived up to your promises. And yes, I wanted to have this Four of Wands. I wanted to have our happy home. But you were very unemotional. You were very, very, you were always cut and dried. Where was the love? Where was the emotion? So if that's going to be the case, then I might as well, kind of release this connection and go off on my own. I feel even while I was with you, I was feeling alone, right? So I was more lonely because I was with you and feeling alone. If I have to be by myself, then I might as well go out there and be alone by myself. So 4 of Wands, Spirit. 4 of Wands. Four of Wands. This person doesn't want to grow anymore. Person B doesn't. Maybe there could be, for some of you out there, this person could actually be going in for a legal separation. They want to put a halt to this connection here. They want to release this toxic energy cycle, chapter of their life, and they are being very strong about it as well. They're keeping themselves guarded, protected. Devil in reverse, Spirit. This person has been hurt too many times. Person B has been hurt and hurt and hurt time and time again. They can't take it anymore. They feel the only way they can get out of this heartbreak is to release this connection altogether, and this person is hell-bent on now, kind of keeping themselves guarded and protected. 9 of Wands, Spirit. 9 of Wands. Because this person is looking for happiness. This person is looking for celebration of life. They feel that this connection doesn't give it to them. They feel, I'd rather kind of end the soulmate connection and go out there and find happiness on my own, with my friends, with my family, and at least I'll be in a happier state than be with a person who's always going to make me feel I have to keep myself defended. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Again, same thing. The person B now feels that person A is a very, very immature energy, right? Knight of Wands, never taking responsibility for their actions, coming in, leaving whenever they want, taking their partner for granted, making promises they never keep. Knight of Cups in reverse. So they feel that I can't, even if I want to, kind of work with this person, I don't think I can. There is no stability here. Even if I try and work things out with this person, my experience shows me that this person time and time again has never lived up to becoming that emperor or the king of pentacles, which this person wants to become, but even they know that they haven't. Right? They wish for it to be, they wish they could be that, they wish they could have taken action, but they also know that they haven't. They've never put in any work in this connection. So I think person B is saying, I don't want to risk, starting again with them and then have the same thing repeat again. Hierophant in reverse, Spirit. Hierophant in reverse. Yes, see? Person B is now taking stock of their life. They're not happy. They feel all this time, energy, years, months, weeks, whatever they've put in has been a waste of time. Now they feel it's time for me to stand up for myself, see things from a higher perspective, keep my wand up and not allow anyone to disrupt my peace. I think they are not interested in this commitment anymore because they feel till now if things have not, harvested, nothing has grown in this relationship positive, then what am I expecting? So they're trying to see it from a higher vantage point and see, is there any hope? Is there any hope that if I again go and work with this person is going to change? Right? So this person is not believing in this connection anymore. I'm sorry, Aquarius. I don't know which side you're on, but yes, there is no wish fulfillment at the moment. So let's see. Page of Swords in reverse, High Priestess, and the Six of Swords. Page of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, somebody feels that their partner is very immature. They don't Even the Page of Swords is this is like a mischievous energy who just create trouble wherever they want, wherever they go. They don't step up. They're not. They gossip. They're not a balanced energy, right? So I think somebody is finding this too much to handle now, and they want to turn their back on this connection. And I think now there may be quite a bit of silence between the two of you. I don't think you guys are talking to each other either right now, Aquarius, or at least not much. Communication may be little to none. Yes, both are now keeping not like, how do I say this? Decisions have to be made now. Decisions have to be made, and the death card is here, which may mean ending something. Maybe decisions have to be made now to end things. But I don't think anybody's made a decision yet, Aquarius. I think you're just both keeping quiet and thinking about it, thinking about this connection, which has actually taken a very, very wrong turn now. Six of Swords, Spirit. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Yes, I think you're both coming to the realization that this is not a balanced relationship. There has never been any equal give and take in this connection. Somebody has really not gone the right direction to create peace and harmony with their partner. And because of this, because of not having equal reciprocity, equal give and take between two people, one person is thinking, or maybe both, walking away now. Somebody is walking away from this connection now. So that's what I have. Anything else, Spirit, for Aquarius? Anything else? As of now, Aquarius, I don't see, at least for the coming week or so, I don't see. I think this Queen of Swords is going to keep her sword up at the moment. They're not interested in being in a connection which is always going to make them feel like a loser. Right now, I think what this Queen of Swords needs is a bit of healing, or maybe they're hoping for healing. If healing can come to this connection, things can change. If you are on person A's side, you have to act fast, because this Queen of Swords is now getting more and more sure that they don't want to be in a connection which will always embarrass them or make them feel not good enough. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, which will be on Friday now for the Love Bite. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.